I like that it separates from there. I like this. Look at the island. First time I've seen this. I love that. So this is the entrance. From the entrance, washer and dryer included. I love that. So this space, it can be your dining room table if you have one. I like that. Look at that. Look at the island. You guys know I've been wanting an island so bad, so I love that. And they have outlets, 1, 2, and the sink is here. And oh yeah, and the countertop, I like it. I like that it's white in here because, well, I just want something white now. It's the standard refrigerator, that's fine. Again, I really like that it's white. As you guys know, I don't really like the swirl anymore. So I left the swirl in Virginia, basically. Oh yeah. Oh, these don't open?
No, those don't. Just the double door.
Yeah, the pantry. The living room space, I think it's gonna be big enough. Oh my gosh, I just realized it doesn't really have a balcony. Does the other one have a balcony?
No. Most apartments don't have balconies. They have what they call the Juliet.
Juliet. I've always talked about nothing can go out here but my big toe. Y'all. Oh my goodness.
But you got a good view?
It is a good view. I just need to make sure I can get fresh air, and I can't do that if there's not a balcony. Look, this is the first time I've seen this. I like it. Wow. And when I just turned the light on, that came on, and the other one on the side. So now let's go into the bedroom. Okay. So the bedroom is big enough. I like that. This is one of the bigger ones. This is one of the bigger bedrooms that I've seen since I've been touring. No one has beaten my bedroom, and that's big. But this one, it doesn't have the hallway that leads to the bathroom. If I choose this one, that just means that y'all can't visit. I'm telling y'all that right now. Ceiling is high enough. So let's go. Here, I could put my my vanity. I would put my vanity right there. That's what people do?
Or one with tall stand up here.
And I have one, you're right, never mind. Tub is right here immediately. This space, I like this. Like I said, I would put my vanity, but she also said a mirror, a big tall mirror. I would also do that. I like that. We've got the toilet right here. I like that it separates from there, but also I like this. I can get artsy right here. I can put flower, like plants right here, or artwork. I like that. White. I like that it's square. Again, I like the finish. The closet, that's also important. So the closet is big. So it's a walk-in closet. Okay, so I just got back in the car. Let me take these off. They're definitely giving Cruella de Vil. Actually, I'm not giving nothing at all, but y'all know when I'm recording and they're giving me the tour, it just makes things awkward because I'm trying not to put people in there, whether they ask or not. But I like that apartment. It comes with washer and dryer. Not all units do. This was an upgraded one. I just don't like that it doesn't have a balcony because I love sitting on a balcony. But for 15, I think that one was, I don't know, she sent me the email. I'm gonna look at it. Everything, the extra fees that are gonna be included is $35. That's the best so far. But I am here by these other apartments like the Isaacs, or the Isaac, not Isaacs, Leasing B Center, I don't know. But they're 1, 2, and I think 3. And another one. So I'm just gonna go stop by and be like, hey, can I get a tour real quick? I need to kill all the birds with one stone. But Frisco is far, no lie. From my job, it's 49 minutes, no tolls, 30 minutes, tolls. I'm supposed to only go into office like 3 times a week. But 3 times a week times all the tolls, that's gonna add up. I prefer to be closer, but this is a great deal, I cannot lie. But the porch, I would be giving up the porch for a year. I don't know, but I am gonna go to the next apartment and see. So let's see what I can get into. I only have 25 days or less to move out. I really don't have the room to be too stingy at this point, but I still want what I want, period. And I just hate that I had to come on here and look like this. I'm leaving a 2-hour meeting. Lips dry. Let's go.